everyone, I'm Jessie here. Welcome to today's project. Hope you all doing well. As you all know, I'm making a floor sofa today. It can be a great project for the kids' room and the youngsters' room or even the students' apartment. For that, I'm using 6 cushion covers of same size and 2 smaller sized cushions. What I'm going to do next is join all this together by sewing. Here you can put it on the machine or hand sew. I prefer to hand sew because I'm getting so many requests to show a hand sewn project without using the machine because not everyone has a machine in home. For that I'm using the thread which is really thick, and I'm not using the regular thread because it will snap so quick. Just get your 2 cushion covers, hold it together and keep in mind to keep the zip opening in an open way. If you don't know how to hand sew, just watch it. I will show you here. Get your thread and needle. Here is the first cushion cover. I'm going to start sewing. Just go through it and come out. So it is going to be the invisible stitching method. We cannot see we have stitched with a hand sewing technique from both ways. So once you stitch like this, go to the second cushion cover and sew like this. Then again I'm going to the first cushion cover where I started sewing. Pull it out, and alternatively we're going to the cushion covers on both sides. And again here. Now I will show you. I'm going to pull the thread. Once you pull the thread, it's very hard to see. We have stitched here from both sides. This side is looking like this, and the other side is also perfect. So likewise we need to go along and finish sewing all the cushion covers. It is a look after we finish sewing. Now moving on to the last step. Now to get the look of a sofa, I'm going to connect the smaller one with the top larger cushion with the help of the ribbon, and I'm going to sew the ribbon at equal distances, 2 sets of ribbon each, so we can tie it together. And when we don't need to use it as a floor sofa, you can use it as a floor cushion also. Great fun for the kids.